foodies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make banana bread blondies using the chocolate mousse recipe, because I have made banana bread, I made chocolate chip banana bread, and I have also made banana bread cookies, but I have not made banana bread blondies. So let's get into this video. The things you'll be needing for this recipe are half a cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of mashed bananas or one large banana, 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and also 1 cup of your favorite nuts or chocolate chips. So let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees and then line your pan with parchment paper. And it's supposed to be an 8 by 8 inch pan, but this is a pan that we could find and I think it will still work and turn out great. So now we're going to move over to the stove with the half a cup of butter, and we're going to melt the butter in the saucepan. So I just turned on the stove and I put the half cup of butter onto the stove, so I'm going to melt the butter. So I just melted the butter and took the pan off of the heat because we're going to be adding in half a cup of mashed bananas, your 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and your room temperature egg. So now that my butter is all nice and cooled down, we're going to add in the butter, the bananas, the egg, and the vanilla extract. We're also going to add it in using the whisk, and then we're going to whisk it all together.
Like that. Like that.
When you add in the egg, you want to make sure that you keep whisking it so then you don't end up with scrambled eggs, just in case your butter is still a little bit hot.
Like that.
So now I'm going to add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and then stir it with a rubber spatula. Once you're done adding in the flour, the baking powder, and the salt, then you can add in 1 cup of your favorite nuts or chocolate chips. Then stir one last time with a spatula. Once you're all done with your batter, it should look something like this. Now that we're done with the batter, we're going to add it into our pan. So I just put it into the pan, and now I'm going to put it into the oven to bake for 20 to 23 minutes. So I just took the blondies out of the oven, and this is what they look like. You need to make sure that they cool before you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.